Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Kent hand blender 150 watt powered blender. This is a high performance blender as is written over here. It has 5-speed control with multiple beaters, 100% copper motor. It has overheating protection and full grade plastic body. There's also an image of Hema Malini as well, who's the brand ambassador. Some more information, manufacturing information on this side, and more or less the same information on this side as well. We are going to, some added information here. There is a attached base, 5-speed control function, easy handle grip, whipping function, beating function, and an eject button as well. There are these accessories like the door hooks, the beaters, and also a stand. So we're going to take a look at each of them. Let's open this box and take a look inside. So this is what you find inside the Kent hand blender 150 watt. First up, we have a warranty card. This is a very important document that you should not lose. I'm going to keep this right over here. This is the stand. So the idea is that you should be able to place this particular mixer like so and keep it in one side of the kitchen. There are these 4 holes over here as well. There you will notice there is 4 holes over here as well. These are for the attachment. If you have, say, blending attachments and or kneading attachments, then you can put them over here along with the blender. So that's a great addition. So regarding the attachments, these are your blending attachments, and these are for kneading. Basically, if you want to knead dough or any kind of dough, any kind of kneading basically, you can do with these attachments. It's a great addition. Now let's take a look at the mixer itself. This is the 150 watt powered hand blender. These are your 5 speed settings, as you can see, and the attachments goes inside these 2. So I'm going to put 2 of them inside. That's 1. And that's 2. And this is of course the power button, and this is more or less it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Kent hand blender, the 150 watt hand blender. Thank you for watching.